This is an environmentally sealed, air-conditioned enclosure, which means no dust will be inside of your controller. Dust and electronics, not a good combination. Our flat table router comes standard with Biesse Works, which is a piece part, fully parametric software program, standard with the machine. If we go to the back of the machine, I'm going to show you where the smart card fits into the controller. This is a residential off-the-shelf computer available at any computer store. Here's the biggest innovation of all, smart card technology. By utilizing this, we can take these wires directly into the digital drives. There's no more analog to digital conversion at all. It's directly digital at all times. And now let's go to the back of the machine. And here's the head of the Rover B. We've got a 10-position tool changer. We've got a boring block that is second to none, and we have an HSD ceramic bearing cartridge style electrospindle, which means if there's ever an occurrence of accident with your HSD electrospindle, 6 bolts, you can unbolt the cartridge, take it out, put another one right back in. No downtime. Very quick and easy to use. Of the Rover B is its ability to use a helical rack and pinion drive system, the finest drive system available. Also utilizing 35mm star guides, top and bottom. If you take a file to these star guides, the file will lose, which means over the lifetime of this machine, there will be no consumption of the rails, which means the accuracies you will derive today are the same accuracies you'll derive in 5 to 10 years from now. which is impervious to warpage. If you look at some of our competitors, they use aluminum tables, and as with the properties of aluminum, they can differentiate based on the temperature. So they are prone to warpage. One of the other nice advantages is, as opposed to using an aluminum table, is our ability to zone off sections with these plugs to bring maximum vacuum into one area if you want to use fixtures or jigs. The simple addition of using these double-sealed plastic gaskets, they can go right into the matrix table and you can zone it off that quickly. In the nesting environment, we are typically taking 4x8 or 5x10 sheets and jamming them into the reference pits all day long. Biesse has a great ability to use a 22 millimeter reference pop-up pin, which, as you can see, is not going to move. Okay. Expanding on the safety features of the Biesse Rover 440 FT, what I will illustrate is to show you how quickly the machine will decelerate and come to a dead stop. Safety, paramount with Biesse. It's great because some people have a hard time understanding the concept of how a vacuum table works. This whole table has vacuum to it right now. The floorboard is what's harassing to it. This is a brief illustration of how that concept works. I'm going to take this melamine board and put it on the table and see how quickly it'll suck down onto the vacuum. Let me tell you, I'm pushing on it pretty hard. It's not going anywhere. What we're going to show is how easy it is to load a 4x8 sheet of melamine, which is a typical application on these machines. As simple as 1, 2, 3. 1 being loading the part, 2 being hitting the foot pedal to activate the vacuum, 3 running the physical loading of the machine with a 4x8 melamine panel, which is what 90% of our customers use this machine for casting parts. What Andy will illustrate is first, he will take the board, put it into the reference pins, he will activate the foot pedal to activate the vacuum, and then he will run the program on the machine. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3.